Indian Texpreneurs Federation, ITF, is one of India's most dynamic textile industry associations and aims at making Indian textile sector globally competitive through the theme of collaborative growth and cooperative competition. ITF represents the entire value chain of textile manufacturing with a member base of 510 companies and a combined annual sales of 40,000 crore rupees. ITF has initiated several projects in its journey of empowering members in achieving manufacturing excellence and become competitive in the domestic and global markets. ITF Tutorial Videos is a series of educational videos developed by professionals from ITF on best practices on shop floor. You are watching the training video for the ring frame operator. The operator should come 20 minutes in advance before the beginning of the shift. Operators must attend duty with uniform or formal dress as approved by the management. Operators must wear face mask, cap if provided, apron or hip bags. To ensure workplace safety, operators must not wear long neck chains, bangles, rings, etc. The current shift operator should ask and know from the previous shift operator about stoppages, changes or follow-up to be done in the previous shift. Operator should check and ensure good housekeeping in the department. Any corpse or bobbins spilled on the floor during doffing must be taken out immediately. Operator must ensure that overhead nozzles are always in correct position. If overhead cleaner is stopped due to any reason, that should be informed to PO, SPO. Operator must check the display boards regarding count, bobbin color and for any instructions. If there is any shift meeting at the beginning of the shift, listen to instructions passed and clear any doubts or clarifications. If there is any abnormal sound from the machine, inform to higher officials immediately. If there is any fume or melting smell inside the department, inform to PO, SPO. If there is any machine problem, that should be immediately informed to PO, SPO. Idle spindles must be attended immediately. If any thin, thick or slub is detected in the yarn, inform higher officials immediately. If it is due to maintenance fault, it should be informed to the maintenance person. While changing the roving bobbins, ensure that count, color, lot in case of melange, group bobbins are followed. During bobbin change, ensure minimum length of roving is taken. Also ensure to run out the old bobbin until the last layer. Keep the roving waste in your bag separately. If automatic roving transport is available, make sure that the empty bobbins are properly inserted on the moving bobbin holders. Remove and keep the damaged roving bobbins separately. Clean the roving guide rods and creel while changing the roving bobbins. While gating the roving, ensure that there is no cross gating. Also ensure that it is properly gated on the guide rods. Never keep ring, simplex, empty bobbin in drafting zone area. Keep empty roving bobbin only on the spare holder. Ensure top arm handles are pressed fully. Operator should avoid packing waste in the cradle. Don't interchange front and back top rollers. Also, don't change the top roller from machine to machine. Avoid any mix-up of spacers and missing up spacers. Inform to PO if any damaged top roller or aprons are running in the machine. Ensure that all aprons are running freely. Drafting zone area should be always kept in clean condition. Any fluff in the drafting area must be cleaned before attending the brake. In compact spinning, ensure yarn is running in the slot. Ensure cleanliness of compact apron and LE tube. Knife and metal objects should not be used to remove roller lapping. While piecing, ensure roller neck is free from fluff. Don't run without bottom apron. If there is any choking in pneumafill suction tube, clean it before piecing the end. Ensure pneumafill suction tubes are fixed properly. Don't use damaged ring bobbins. Cops should be taken out from spindle only after applying knee brake and stopping the spindle. While taking out the cops, ensure that the SSM sensors are not disturbed. If any traveler loading is noticed while piecing the end, first remove the fluff and then piece. Don't disturb the traveler clearer setting. Clearer roller should be cleaned by hand every time while piecing the broken end. While piecing the ends, take minimum length, approximately 6 mm length of yarn. Should not do double gating, over piecing. While attending the brakes, cops should not be taken out for piecing. Whenever cop is taken, ensure that the bobbin is fully pressed before piecing the end. Operator should remove the pneumafill waste in each and every round. If different mixings are running in different ring frames, the operator should ensure that the wastes are not mixed. Should not throw roving waste, yarn waste, lapping waste on the floor. Should keep all the waste in the apron or bag. Operator should not stop the overhead cleaner without any information to higher official. Operator should not block the overhead blower nozzle. If any spindle is found damaged, inform PO. Operator should use ring travelers only from the pack given. Do not use the old travelers, if any, spilled on the floor. In auto doff machines, make sure that all the full cops are removed by the bobbin loader. In auto doff machines, ensure that the bobbins are loaded in all spindles. If any spares are missing or damaged, inform the superiors. Operator should not run the machine at slow speed. Operator should not change the settings or any data in the display. Lunch intervals should be followed properly as per the instruction from PO, SPO. Operators should not go outside without informing the supervisors. An alternative person should be arranged even before going out to attend nature's call. No machine should run without operator. Operator should not go to other departments without permission. Operator should not spend time unnecessarily with others during working hours. During any machine maintenance time and machine stoppage time, operator should do the works as instructed by higher officials. Operator should do any other work as instructed by superiors. While stopping the machine for longer duration, release the top arm and keep it free from pressure. During shift handover time, operator should inform important stoppages, process changes to the next shift operator and only then leave the machine. If any count change is done, operator must be aware of the changes in bobbin color, ring cop colors and the traveler to be used. Ring frames with auto doff. In auto doff machines, ensure that doff is taken by keeping minimum 20 mm clearance from the top of the cop. Ensure that grippers are available in all spindles. Ensure that all the full bobbins are removed and only empty bobbins are loaded in all spindles. In ring frames with auto doff, use the emergency rope properly to stop the machine in case of any emergency. Doffers must avoid inserting their hands in doffing area while auto doff is working. In auto-doff machines, spindle must be stopped only by applying the spindle brake. Trolleys must not be taken inside a ring frame. Ring frames fitted with single spindle monitoring system. In machines fitted with single spindle monitoring system, there is no need for patrolling the machine. The operator should attend the brakes based on the end brake indication. While entering their shift, operators should enter their name, number, etc. in a monitor of single spindle monitoring system. Operator should ensure that SSM sensors are clean without any fluff. Check if any spindle sensors are damaged. Operator should check the machine display unit MDU for any deviations like end brakes, rogue, slip, idles, and report to supervisor for any deviations. End brake limit indication must be used fully to achieve optimum operator efficiency and reduce pneumofill waste. Loose wires, if any, should be tied to position, ring frame duct ends, doffing sensors, MCU. Roving stop motion to be carefully and smoothly handled. Operator should attend the brakes in such a way that the EM patrolling time must be as minimum as possible. Operator must try to learn all reports related to them and try to achieve best possible result.